Hello everyone and welcome to Credit Finance. On today's video, we are talking about important update about 1400 stimulus check. This video on IRS 1400 stimulus check for our eligible families. And IRS is also sending out letter to over 9 million people who are potentially eligible for more stimulus check. And we have got all the detail on how you can claim the additional stimulus money right from the IRS end. We are talking about tons of stimulus program like child tax credit, earned income tax credit, recovery rebate credit, child and dependent care credit. And this entire process to claim your stimulus money might take as little as 15 minutes. So today in this video on IRS 1400 stimulus check, we have got the eligible criteria, which families are eligible and how much money you can claim through the stimulus program, and most importantly, how you can claim those additional stimulus money right from the IRS. We have got tons of detail right here in this video. So make sure to hit that like right before we start this video and be sure to subscribe to Credit Finance with all the bell notification turned on. So let's start with important detail. As for the latest detail that we got from IRS, well, IRS is sending out letter to over 9 million people who are potentially eligible for additional stimulus money. And IRS is sending out letter to all those people who didn't claim their stimulus payments such as EIDC, child tax credit and many other stimulus benefit. And look like IRS want to remind potentially eligible people, especially the family that may qualify for this valuable tax credit. And we are talking about the recovery rebate credit, child and tax credit, earned income tax credit and other tax credit benefit depending on the personal family situation. Therefore, a special reminder letter will be coming out from IRS, which will be arriving in the mailbox over the next few weeks. And this letter are being sent out to people who appear to be eligible and qualified for the child tax credit, recovery rebate credit, earned income tax credit but still haven't filled 2021 return claim. And we are talking about an over 9 million potential non-polluters who may be eligible for those credits, and every year people overlook their filing tax return, whether the entire father tax credit or refund. And you know what, people can file the tax return even if they haven't yet received their letter from the IRS. And IRS sent out this reminder letter to people. There is no penalty for refund claim on a tax credit file after a regular April 2022 tax deadline. And actually the stimulus check for many of these credit benefit programs have gone out in several of the state over the past few months. However, there are still thousands of families who are eligible but still haven't received those stimulus checks yet. And according to the Office of Tax Analysis, nearly 6.9 million to taxpayer families were still considered eligible to receive the stimulus payment approved by the American Rescue Plan Act. And in addition to receiving 1400 check stimulus, that may also qualify for additional tax credit or rebates such as child tax credit and urban income tax credit. As per the latest detail, looks like this letter were mailed out as late as October in order to advise filers for their potential eligible for these programs. So you could receive this letter very soon, and this stimulus program could provide financial boost of several thousands dollars depending upon the total amount of stimulus for which each household could receive up to all these three credits. Now speaking of the rules, there are no specific rules and regular relation exist, but speaking of those people who qualify can receive the following tax benefits. So first we are talking about $1,400 per filer with an additional $1,400 per qualifying child through their recovery rebate credit. So remember, $1,400 per filer and with additional $1,400 per qualifying child through the recovery rebate credit. Second, we got up to $6,728 for taxpayer with 3 children. They can claim up to $6,728 through their earned income tax credit, that is EITC. Then next we got up to $3,600 per child under the child tax credit, and also we got up to $8,000 in daycare expenses, that is through the child and dependent care credit. So speaking of this benefit, let's say if you didn't have the file for any of those following stimulus program, then you could be eligible for this program. And if you receive letter from IRS saying that you are eligible, then you should file for these stimulus program in order to claim those unclaimed stimulus money. Now talk about of how you can claim those benefits. Some of you probably know that although the IRS free file portal has already closed, and claimants who are typically not required to file a return can complete their 2021 filing with a proper tax preparer or supply their information individually via the child tax credit side. So even though the IRS profile portal has been already closed, you can simply head over to childtaxcredit.gov, and right over here this is a US official website. US government official website. Very easily you just need to file a simple tax return in order to claim your benefit such as child tax credit and ATIC, and you can probably complete the filing in as little as 15 minutes. And right here onto the website, that is a get started button which will help you to file house tax return fast and very easily. And actually there are two options. So option 1 is simple, so you can simplify in as little as 15 minutes for your child tax credit and EITC. Talk about of the option B, you got a full tax return to receive your maximum refund. So this one is a really good choice because here you can find out or what kind of benefit you are eligible, and you could be eligible for additional of thousands of dollars in tax credit while upcoming tax season will begin next month. The credit are reverting back to their original amount. So the penalty free funds may be just the initiatives that you need to elevate your holiday spending. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button for our channel and be sure subscribe to Credit Finance. See you soon next time.